you can avoid the harsh chemicals found in many commercial skin care products and instead provide your skin with gentle, effective nourishment. So why not give this treatment a try and see the benefits for yourself? Your sensitive skin will thank you for it. Sensitive skin often requires a gentle yet effective skincare regimen to avoid irritation and inflammation. Natural ingredients like barley grass oil and chamomile essence can help soothe and protect sensitive complexions without harsh chemicals. Barley grass oil contains high levels of vitamin E, antioxidants, and amino acids that nourish and protect delicate skin. The oil's anti-inflammatory properties calm irritation and redness, while antioxidants combat free radical damage. To use barley grass oil for sensitive skin care, apply a few drops directly to cleanse skin and massage in, focusing on problem areas. The oil forms an invisible barrier that locks in moisture and shields skin from external irritants. Chamomile essence possesses powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds that calm sensitive skin. The essence, made by steeping chamomile flowers in water or oil, reduces redness and itchiness caused by conditions like rosacea, eczema, and psoriasis. The antimicrobial effects of chamomile also help fight bacteria and environmental threats that can set off skin flare-ups. Simply apply chamomile essence to your face using a cotton pad after cleansing for an instant soothing boost. To make an overnight sensitive skin mask combining barley grass oil and chamomile essence. Steep 2 chamomile tea bags in half cup of boiling water for 10 minutes. Remove tea bags and allow tea to cool. Add 1 tablespoon of barley grass oil and stir to combine. Pour the mixture into an airtight jar and store in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. At night, apply a thick layer of the mask to your face, avoiding the eye area. Cover with a towel or cotton cloth and leave on while you sleep. Upon waking, remove the mask with lukewarm water and pat skin dry. Finish by massaging a few drops of barley grass oil into problem areas. Regular use of this overnight sensitive skin mask can help calm irritation, restore your moisture barrier, and reduce future flare-ups. The barley grass oil nourishes and protects, while chamomile essence soothes inflammation and irritation. Over time, consistent care with these natural ingredients may lessen your skin's sensitivity and make it more resilient. In addition to the overnight mask, consider using barley grass oil and chamomile essence in these simple ways. Add 10 to 15 drops of chamomile essence to your regular moisturizer. Gently scrub face with a soaked chamomile tea bag for 1 minute, 2 times per week. Apply pure barley grass oil to moist skin after bathing or showering. Mix equal parts barley grass oil and chamomile essence for a soothing natural toner. By incorporating these simple yet effective remedies, you can help nourish and strengthen your sensitive skin from the comfort of your own home. Regular use of barley grass oil and chamomile essence gives your complexion the TLC it needs to heal, repair, and build a stronger moisture barrier against future irritants. So start small and work up your tolerance while consistently providing your delicate skin with the nourishment of barley and chamomile. Over time, you'll likely see an improvement in the resilience and comfort of your sensitive yet beautiful complexion. Sensitive skin can be a challenge to care for, as it can be easily irritated and prone to redness and inflammation. However, with the right ingredients, it is possible to soothe and nourish sensitive skin. 2 ingredients that can benefit sensitive skin are barley grass oil and chamomile essence.